Hey guys, just a quick video on the Dji Fpv prop adapters. I've gotten them repaired, my drone repaired several times now, and just wait, I'll move this. And so I feel like I might know what I'm talking about. Anyway, the prop adapters, see how it slides on easily right there? Just like so. So I'm recording on my phone, holding it at the same time. They all went on good, except for this front one. And almost, I don't want to push it on too far because it took me about an hour to wiggle it off last time. And yeah, you see it almost sticks right away when you put it on. And I'm going to guess that's not a mistake. I mean, they could probably tell that I had prop adapters on it when I was in for repairs. But I paid for my own repairs, so there's nothing they can say. I own it. And that's another point of what I'm trying to get at too, is if you buy something, you should be able to do what you want with it. This one stem on machine cut pieces that are the same for everything should not be a tiny bit wider in a way that it literally sticks it right away. And so anyway, I'm going to file mine down, and I'll probably make another video on that. And let me know what you think in comments below. Has anyone else experienced this, or is this just me, or is this something new that they're doing now? Alright guys, just a quick little update I'm going to add here at the end. I just filed it down using a metal file right here, like so, and I basically just filed along there and down. You can see the flash a little bit, but anyway, yeah, so I only took me literally not even 5 minutes probably, and now as you can see, boom, good to go. Okay, I'm going to install these Spitfire T5 147.5s. Alright, to install these, a lot of people might not know. See the two wrenches? Yeah, they're the same, but both sides have different sizes. That reason for that being is, as you can see right here, see how the larger one fits down here? Now, slide it onto the bottom. Just 1 second. Like so. And you use the small side over here. And you just turn like this to tighten it on. And do it, obviously, to take it off, you do the opposite. And that should save you people that didn't know that already a lot of hassle. Alright, let's get these on. And just so you know, the red ones go clockwise and the black ones go counterclockwise. Always make sure you have that right, or she's obviously not going to fly. And there we go. I love that noise. And there you have it. Prop adapters properly installed. And again, if any of you guys have that problem like I had with, I believe it was this one, being too wide and my adapter instantly stuck on it, just try lightly before you install them, just to make sure you're not going to have that problem like I did, because you may not be lucky like I was. It took me a while to get it off, and I honestly did not think it was going to get off. I thought I was going to have to send it into DJI for repairs with the prop adapter stuck to it. So again, if this happened to any of you guys, or your thoughts on it, just let me know in comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.